Hop into the 2021 Landrover Discovery. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an impressively capable, unapologetically posh Discovery that's ready for any adventure. From its high-end style and superior build quality to its suite of tech-savvy amenities and safety features, this remarkable full-size SUV will exceed every expectation. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps. Feel the thrill of luxury and the confidence to go anywhere in this remarkable Discovery. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.